What is up, everybody? My name is Wild Wolf Blood. So I've tried to record a minute ago, but like my sound quality wasn't very good. So this time I put in some headphones, and we're gonna try again. So I don't know if this is loud yet because I haven't tested it. I probably should have done that before I started, but I'm still gonna play anyways. Last episode I was saying that I'm probably not gonna get no views, no subscribes, no likes, no nothing. But if you guys ever see this video, I hope you would support it, because I'm starting out and this is kind of small, and me and my friends are talking about running some kind of YouTube business, and we would really like to make that goal happen if we can. But yeah, so I just want to say I hope you guys have fun watching this. I'm alright at this game. Not too bad. I've died before, but that was playing the apocalypse version of this. It's on here. It's really hard though. Did I save it? Yeah, alright. So I do most of the upgrading on my guy, my Carl down there. We're gonna play single player. I've played multiplayer. It's just all the time in like the middle of the game it starts to lag, and I don't really like it like that. This thing goes at 3 rounds. This thing goes 3 rounds. It's kind of long. I wish you could switch it. I don't know if you can or not. If you guys can you please tell me how? Now this dude right here, Carl, he always tries to take my kills and he always follows me around. I mean, it's alright having backup. Dude, it's mine. So she said. But I'm gonna talk a little bit about me right now. Not because my ego is so big. I just want to let you guys know who I am. I'm childish, 13, can be dirty-minded, country, which is one. I mean, being in city's alright, but country all the way, dude. I'm a Tennessee fan. Georgia would be next in place. Alabama, don't really like them, but if they're playing against someone else other than Georgia or Tennessee, then I will choose them to win. You guys will comment down below what kind of football fan you are. So after these last 2 rounds, I will have to go. Well, I want it to, because I'm not gonna sit here for like 20 minutes. This is more of a sorry guys, I had to pause for a second. I thought I heard something. But I don't remember what I was gonna say. Dang it. I'm not gonna sit here for the whole entire time, because I'm gonna say something like I don't want to sit here for like 20 minutes playing like 20-minute game, because none of my family members are home, and once they get home it's gonna be loud. So that's why I can't wait to move out of this derpy house so I can get something better. But yeah, comment your favorite football team, and just so I can learn a little bit about you guys. Or, if you don't really like football, comment your favorite sport, and tell me what team you like out of it. Like, for example, baseball, New York Yankees. I don't like them. I'm just using that as a topic. Which, I don't really hear about them playing or anything. I don't care. So, I'm gonna throw a few of those. Gonna throw one of those. It didn't go nowhere. Gonna throw it again. And then turn around and shoot. Whenever it says unlimited, I think it should be like literally unlimited, not just unlimited bullets, where you can shoot forever. I think that was it. Oh, this is the last two. There we go, we won. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, if you do watch, and I will see you guys later. I did not die. That was not me.